Welcome back to our second session, everyone. So now it's time for our second session, right? Okay, so as you know already, for second session, we are going to study our book is Hangout 1, right? Okay, then in our Hangout 1, we will continue our lesson that we talk about Unit 6, feeling. So do you still remember our vocabulary feeling? Great. So our vocabulary feeling, we have happy, upset, surprised, excited, right? Okay, and you know all of that word already. So now let's continue our page 72 that we have some activity to do. And before we start our page 72, let's look at the whiteboard first. So teacher want you to review some vocabulary again that related with extreme sport. Right? So as you know already, extreme sport is the same as action sport, right? That we have mountain biking, bungee jumping, and rock climbing and skydiving. So what is your favorite extreme sport, everyone? Yeah, I know that your favorite extreme sport is mountain biking because right now they ride a bike is very famous, right? And so many people they like to use the bike to do the exercise, right? Okay, and I hope that you can choose one of your favorite extreme sport in here and write like a paragraph about your favorite sport, right? Okay, so right now let's move to exercise C and exercise D. So as you know already, exercise C and exercise D, this one is related with our reading also that we talk about extreme sport, right? Okay, so now let's move to our page. Let me explain to you that related with our exercise. So exercise C, you need to listen and circle, then answer the question. So before we learn about extreme sport already, what happened with extreme sport and what kind of the sport that we learn, right? So in exercise C, this one, you need to listen carefully. The teacher will provide you the listening track. And you need to choose which one is the correct word. And after that, you need to choose yes or no also. So teacher will provide you the listening track right now and you need to listen carefully and you need to choose the correct answer. So now let's
C. Listen and circle. Then answer the questions. Number 1.
Mountain biking is an extreme sport.
Number 2.
Some extreme sports are dangerous.
Number 3.
Extreme sports are easy to do.
Number 4.
Some people feel scared by these sports.
Okay everyone, so I know that you finished our listening track already, right? So now let's check your answer. Mountain biking, swimming is an extreme sport. So the first one is biking or swimming, everyone. Great, the correct one is biking. So mountain biking is an extreme sport. Is he right? Yes or no? Good, is yes, right? Okay, number 2. Some extreme sports are fun or are dangerous. Between the word fun and dangerous, which one is the correct one? Great, it's dangerous. Is he right? Yes or no? Yes, right? So as you know already in our paragraph or in our text that related with extreme sport is the game that extreme sport is the sport that is dangerous and hard to do, right? Okay, number 3. Extreme sport are easy or hard to do. So what is your answer, everyone? Is easy or hard? Great. The correct one is easy to do. So is he right? Yes or no? No, right? So as you know, the extreme sport is the sport that hard to do or hard to play, right? Okay, and the last one, number 4, that teacher said call it already is scared, right? So some people feel scared by this spot. Is she right? Yes, right? Okay, so here is our answer for exercise C. Now let's move to our exercise D, that match the word match and write the correct letter. So we have number 1 until number 4, but you need to look at the picture first and you need to write the letter into the correct box that we have number 1 until number 4. Before you complete it, you need to read the sentence first. Okay, number 1, they are happy. So now let's look at the picture. Which one is happy? Letter A, letter B, or letter C, or letter D? Great. The correct one is letter B, right? Okay, number 2, she's scared. So it's letter A, right? So you can see at the picture, she's scared of rock climbing, right? Okay, and number 3, he's excited. So match to letter C, right? Because he rides a bike, right? Okay, he feel excited. And number 4, he's worried. So match to letter D, right? Okay, so here is our answer for our exercise for today, that we have exercise C and D. So now it's time for our second session, and teacher will provide you the homework after this video. And when you finish complete your homework, please send it to your teacher personal telegram, and any question related with lesson today you can ask your teacher in our group. So now it's time. See you again tomorrow. Goodbye everyone. Have a nice day, and don't forget to wear your mask and wash your hand all the time. Goodbye.